Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is March 5th, 2024, Tuesday. Option expiry for Nifty. First we will discuss the levels, then the technical, then the power of technical analysis. First Nifty, where it closed 2854.50, 0.35% down. BankNifty 47,581, 0.26% down. Nifty closed at 22,356.30, 0.22%. BankNifty up 0.26%. My apologies. BankNifty was up today, 0.26% up. Nifty 0.22% down. Long Legged Doji. So before we go into the discussion part of it, what is the level? We said that for Nifty, we had said that the Fibonacci, no levels are available. Hence, we had said that the only thing where we can rely is the Bollinger Upper Band, above which that also one cannot be sure. Hence, Fibonacci is something which is very handy. We had said that the Fibonacci 161.8, which is at 21,295, 265.95 levels, that is something which one can think of as a resistance. Likewise, the support is relatively easy. We had said that the Bollinger Middle Band on the daily chart, which was at 2437. So where Nifty closed? 2854. That's the power of technical analysis, which is why I reiterate once again to everyone, particularly those who are interested in making trading as a profession. Definitely. See, people say that no one can make trading as a profession. No, they are wrong. See, many people are doing business, okay, but how many people are successful? Only 5 to 10% are successful. Like in any other profession, trading also, it's only the very few which is minority that's going to be successful. But that minority has to be super industrious, need not be intelligent. The difference between industrious and intelligence is, industrious is hard work, intelligent is born genius. Like Sachin Tendulkar is intelligent, he's born genius. Everybody cannot be like Sachin Tendulkar, born genius, gifted and all those things, but one can be industrious. You can take a classic example of Arjuna Ranaratunga. He is a very industrious guy, right? Like that, many examples we can quote, but of course we might deviate from the topic. But the point I'm trying to make is that if one wants to make trading as a career, definitely one can be successful, because there are enough number of tools available for one to learn, which is freely available. Don't go and fall for somebody giving tips and all those things. Freely tools are available. You can learn many videos which is available free of cost. It's purely learning purpose. Anyway, coming back to the topic. So Nifty, what it formed? It formed an inverted hammer. It opened at the same level as of yesterday's close. It formed an inverted hammer, meaning it formed a high which is slightly higher, of course below yesterday's high, just 1 point below yesterday's high. At one point in time it threatened to go past that high, it didn't go. In the morning itself it threatened to break below the low, it didn't break. So that was very clear that it was operating between the high of yesterday and the low of yesterday. That's what precisely it operated. It was just 8 points or 7 points above yesterday's low, Nifty I'm telling, and 1 point or 1.5 points below yesterday's high. One can check the levels, right? So finally it formed a inverted hammer. What is it signifies? It signifies there is some amount of weakness. It's not like people can say that it is kind of a reversal candle. I wouldn't consider. The reason is very simple. In an uptrend, immediately it is forming. Okay, if it is in a significant downtrend, if it inverted hammer is formed, it's a reversal on the positive side, upward side. But this cannot be considered as a reversal. It's a kind of a doji. One has to be cautious. Bank Nifty, what did it form? Bank Nifty opened below. It formed a engulfing candle. It formed an engulfing candle. The low of yesterday's was not broken, but it closed above the yesterday's high. That means it closed very powerfully. It's a continuation pattern. However, one thing which you have to carefully understand is that the price is going, but it's not going going significantly, but the exponential moving average is going and it is not able to go up. Normally, I have told every video I am telling, normally what happens, it's like a moon's gravitational pull. It will pull the price down. Okay, probably it will come here, hover around the exponential, then it can once again shoot up. So hence one has to be very careful and don't think that it is a green or it's a green candle, hence it is the up move is intact. Yes, it can go up tomorrow. I'm not saying who am I to say that it cannot go up now. I'm not here to say that, but all I'm saying here is that one has to be very careful in trading and in understanding the candles. Nifty on the other hand, it opened a gap down and it formed a long leg doji. Of course, it's not like, see, all these indices, as I have told, in the month of March, definitely you will not have a significant fall. Okay, in fact, the opening level of this month itself is a very good support for all these indices, unless otherwise that is decisively broken. That's one thing which we have to note. So this is how it is, the overall texture and structure of the market and various indices. With that, let's go into the background of how the various sectors performed. Banks, AU, Axis Bank, Bandhan Bank, IDFC Bank, Kotak and Yes Bank fell 1%. HDFC Bank slightly around 1%, 0.57, 0.58% up. I will categorize it as 1% up, along with IndusInd Bank and SBI. SBI is the sole protector, I would say, for Nifty and Bank Nifty today. Otherwise, Nifty would have fallen significantly. On the financials, L&T Finance and Shriram fell 1%. Chola fell 2%. Bajaj Twins had a massive fall of 4%. So many people, fundamental analysts, oh, this is a great time to buy, good buy, because they will say blindly, buy. See, they have to tell themselves, whether they are fundamental or technical. If they are fundamental, they have to say, fundamentally, this is the PE, historical PE at which it was quoting. Now it is quoting at this level. Hence, one can think of. They have to restrict that. No, I will buy and all those things. Where you will keep buying all those things? Don't do that. Instead, putting your money in FD is safe. So hence, please always discuss with your SEBI registered financial analyst. Don't go by TV anchors. They will just come and say something and go away. Discuss with your SEBI registered. Again, I'm using the word SEBI registered. Don't discuss with anyone, WhatsApp or Telegram channels and all those things. So discuss with SEBI registered people and take their advice. It means payment. Please pay them. That's okay. It is worth paying, right? Take their advice and take an informed decision. So these stocks, when it is going up, always you can buy. I mean, it's not going to run away. That's very clear. They will say, because they have a vested interest. Honestly, I'm saying that, because if mutual fund doesn't perform, these persons will be questioned, where is your performance? Hence, they want more people to come, and then so that they can show performance. That's a hidden agenda. I'm sorry to state that, but why they are saying that everybody buy? If you want, you buy. Why are you telling others to buy? In insurance and cards, 1% down. LIC, SBI Life 2% down. ICICI Pru 1% up. See, if Bajaj Twins going down by 4% is not small. It is Bajaj Finance has fallen by 10% and Finserv has fallen by 8% in this year. AU Bank has already fallen 22%. So it's not a small fall. And HDFC has fallen by 16%. It's not a small fall, normal fall, right? Oil and Telecom, Reliance up 3%. So Reliance saved the day for Nifty actually. And the IT, HCL Tech, Techem, Wipro all down 1%, Apple, Coforge, Infi, Intellect, LTIM, Mphasis and TCS down 2%, Birlasoft down 3%. Consumer goods, HUL, ITC, Colpal 1% down, Nestle and Trent down 2%. Page and PVR up 1%, Bata up 2%. Escorts down 2%, Eicher, M&M, Maruti 1% up, Bajaj Auto and TVS Motors 2% up, Tata Motors 3% up, Motherson 5% up. Metals, Hindalco, SAIL, Tata Steel, JSW 1% down, Jindal 2% down, Coal India 1% up, Vedanta 3% up. Health and Pharma, Lalpath fell 2%, Apollo Hospitals remained sideways today, while we had 1% up move in Sun Pharma and Thyrocare. In the others category, L&T, Havells, Ultratech, Jubilant Food fell 1%, Zomato 2% down, MCX 3% down. India Mart and MCX 1% up, Polycab up 2%. So with all these things, tomorrow is Bank Nifty option expiry. So again, as I tell traders, however we tell, traders want to trade, small investors want to trade, hence be careful, that's the only thing, but look at the levels. So on the support side, 50-day exponential moving average is a very good support for Bank Nifty, which is now at 46 to 47, so it can change because these are all dynamic levels. So that's something which it's very difficult to break, because above the 50-day exponential moving average, you have the 50-day simple moving average, 20-day simple moving average, exponential moving average, everything is there, and the 9, 10 exponential moving averages, everything is there. But the 50-day is well below, so which is what is I would say a safe support levels one can think of. On the resistance, while it is on an up move, but this, as I said, that the gravitational pull can pull it down towards the exponential moving average. Hence one can think of 2023 close, that is 2023 year end close, which is at 48,292.25 as something which will act as a resistance. So it's very difficult to break past that and go, at least for tomorrow. It can possible in this month because it's in a good up move. Thank you very much.